Hi, this screencast covers tagging and how it's handled by 3 different blogging platforms. Tagging is an important thing to do with all of your blog posts or entries because it makes it a lot easier and friendlier for your visitors to find the content that you are creating. This first platform is through Google's Blogger.com, and this is my technical blog site. And if you take a look at this first entry or post, you'll see I've got 3 labels or tags. If we click on one of them, it pulls up all of the posts with that one tag gadget. And these are some other ones I've done. And you can see here on the right, we've got a list of all of the labels. And this one here, for example, are all of my entries under Apple. If we edit one of the entries, you can see down here, this is where I can add my tags or labels. And I can pick from a list here, or I can add any of my own for if I want to create a new tag. The r.outreach site, if you have any tags, they would show up right underneath the title here. And if you click on one of them, you can see additional tag clouds. If you want to edit any of them, you have to click on the Add Tags link. And as you start typing, the options show up, and you'll see that there's usually a lot of different options there. So you want to make sure that you look through the list carefully. The lists take a little time to generate, so give it some time to pull up. Once that happens, you can click on OK, and all of a sudden your new tags show up. In MT4, or blogs at psu.edu, you have tag clouds under the blogs, and you can see all the entries with those tags. If I click on another one, I can pull up all the other different tags for different posts. This is one entry and all the different tags I've got listed with it. One downside is that you have to use the arrow to scroll through. I literally click on every single letter to make sure that is every single letter in the alphabet. I can choose the right tag that I would like. Unfortunately, MT4 doesn't give you a way to see all of your tags at once. That's something I really like. It's more similar to the r.outreach format, where you can choose from a list of tags that you've got. The reason why I go through A through Z is that I want to make sure I'm using all the possible tags that I may already have before I create a new tag in my list. So anyhow, once you're set, just click on Save, and it'll publish. And I want to show you how you can manage tags through MT4 as well. When you do that, it'll list all of the different tags, and you can click on the entries to see all the entries with a particular tag. And from here you can do additional actions or apply different actions to those entries. Another way of doing it is by actually managing your entries. You can go through and select 1 or 2 or all of your entries and add a tag to it. If you do that, the big problem here is that you don't get any hinting or help. You just have to know which tag you're going to use. So take a look at your tag cloud before you do this, so that you're getting the right one. This is the remove tags action, and you'll see it's the same thing. You don't get any help, no hints. So you better know what it is beforehand. I am not going to, remove or add any tags right now. So that's pretty much the basic run through of how to do tagging within MT4. I would recommend going back every, 3 or 6 months and cleaning up your tags from the previous 3 or 6 months, and just try and make it again more friendly and searchable for your visitors. Most importantly, once you start tagging, try and be consistent with whatever methodology you choose. Please let me know what works for you. I'm still trying to work out my own sort of approach to tagging, so I'd love to hear your response. Thank you very much.